I'm currently working with Geodis India. It's a multinational logistics provider, headquarters in Paris, France. All the movements from Delhi and Calcutta airport, I will be responsible. The volumes development to support the sales, overseas offices, airlines, everything is my responsibility.
Welcome, Mr. Batra. It's really good to have you. I want it to be a more candid conversation. So I'll start very briefly with your current role. So could you tell me and our audience a little about your current role at Geodis?
Hi, so
Yes.
thank you so much, like to have me for this. And I'm currently working with Geodis India. It's a multinational logistics provider, and it's like headquarters in Paris, France. So my current role here is I'm looking after air freight for North and East. So that is, a completely P&L responsibility for both the locations. So that means all the movements from Delhi and Calcutta airport, I will be responsible. So
Okay.
the volumes development to support the sales, to grow the volumes, overseas offices, airlines, everything is my responsibility. So the basically my role is to manage and develop air freight from north and east locations.
Okay, wonderful, wonderful. Our students of operations would be thrilled, to hear more about your role. I would want to know a little bit more about your professional journey. How has your journey evolved across various organizations? You've been in CEVA Logistics, you've been in
Yeah.
Kuehne Nagel, right? So how
Yes.
has your journey evolved across these organizations?
If I talk about my journey starts from logistics journey starts from basically from FIIB only, because that was the platform I have been so inclined towards, import export since I was like in school. So I always thought to either I will be having my own export business, or I will be working for some maybe airlines or like work for a logistics provider. So
Okay.
credit goes to FIB only. So because I got campus placed in 2006 with one of the best organization in this industry, that is Kuehne. So Kuehne gave the base. That is the place where I learned what is logistics is, what is freight forwarding is. So journey starts from there. So I was management trainee over there for a year, and KN is having a fantastic management trainee program. So it's like you are getting paid to learn. So that is not happening after college, and that's exactly opposite. But KN is having such a program, so they will go through with all the departments, like different products like air freight, ocean freight. Even they train in a little bit of finance. Like they just want to know that the candidates who like coming after the college, they should know how this industry works. So that was a best platform to learn. So
Wonderful.
Kuehne is a place where I learned about it, and their journey starts. Then I worked for quite more big MNCs, like still on in the chart. They are among the top five freight forwarders in the world. Like as you already name it, it's Panalpina, CEVA, and all. So development was there because initially when I learned it, after that, even after Kuehne I got a opportunity work in overseas. So I have like worked in Middle East as well in agility logistics. So Kuehne that gave me confidence, and the way they taught me about this subject, it was like quite amazing and helped me till now. Yes, this is like all development is there. Number of MNC companies I have worked, but yes, the journey starts from KN, and now I'm with Geodis.
So actually, Sankalp told me about it. He
Okay.
comes to campus very often, I think, but you're a businessman. So I'm trying to pull you also, to come to campus at least, once in
Sure,
like a quarter or 6 months. Our operations students could
sure,
learn a lot from you. Um,
sure.
I think you've touched on it a little, but not only studies, I would want to know that did your time at FIIB help you shape your professional outlook or career journey? Not only the studies, but maybe some experiences at FIIB that help you shape your career journey or professional outlook.
Love to share it because before joining FIB, I was not really very got exposure in a lot of things. I was really little bit of shy person. I never take like initiative that maybe in a lecture I would be knowing something very interesting and knowing the correct answer, but I was not like that person that okay, I will be the person who will just raise my hands up and say, yes, sir, I can answer that. So FIB really shaped it very well because of their presentations, the exposure, port visits, and lovely faculty. They are always open to help anytime, very friendly. So this is how it shaped my professional career very well, gives me confidence to like stand up and give the answer. And I really feel it very good till now because now I am doing that after moving out of FIB. I took some time that okay, what I have learned I need to implement it very well. And nowadays it's all about the confidence that you show in front of maybe in the interviews or like maybe in some big platforms or podiums. The way you present, the confidence that reflects, it's really very important these days. So FIB really helped a lot to shape it.
Mr. Saurabh, do you recall any favorite faculty or any moment or any experience from your campus life that still make you smile?
See, I really don't remember. It's been like it's about to be 20 years now, but my
Yeah.
overall experience was really fantastic. As I told, I want to tell this again that fact every faculty it's like really very very helpful anytime after the classes or maybe in the library. Every facility was there and fully equipped. So I really don't remember anything, but I really felt every day memorable because, see, the thing is, even in the offices, also, if you have a feel good factor to go to college or a office every day without anything back of your mind that I have to and I want to. So I always want to go to college. I never bunk the classes because the environment that FIB has given the moments every day, everything. It was so good that okay, every day I want to go to college to attend the maybe not the lecture, but yes, to attend the college. To going a college, it was like a fun to learn something,
Mm.
to do anything like because every time we don't have any lectures, but you have friends, you have like a lot of things to do. You can
Yeah.
sit in a library and just have a chat or get some good book and read it for maybe half an hour. So it was really fantastic overall. Moments I really don't remember, but yes, a lot of events happened. So every event was very good. So yeah,
Yeah,
that's it.
maybe totally understandable. So, final question. I know you've been traveling a lot. One last thing, I think marketing students and finance students they get a lot of advice, right? But operation students and especially people who want to work in logistics, what advice would you give to students here at FIIB, current students who are aspiring to build their careers in logistics or in global operations?
See, actually, logistics is something like it's highly time bound. So, customers and lot of like other authorities, they will be always building up the pressure on an individual to do
Mm.
the things on time. Lot of factors are under our control. Lot of factors are not under our control. So my advice is just to stay calm, be focused. There will be very tough situation that okay, you will be under tremendous pressure to get the things done, but we don't have to panic a lot. Every problem is having a solution. So you have to stay calm, think about it, and find a solution. So because if you get panic, then definitely, see, even I am like that. I cannot think for a solution if I'm into a panic situation. So I always feel that, okay, if really, see, situations will arrive definitely because it's so
Definitely.
live, logistics is so live. If I talk about air freight, I have a fixed departure at the international airport over there. If my cargo have to go on that particular flight, then flight will not stop for me or wait for me. I have to do all the activities, everything. It may be customs, transportation, anything that have to be done at that point of time. So situation will
Right.
arise. So the thing is, yes, to stay calm and just to think about the solution because there will be problems. That nobody can ignore it. So because it's very live. So that's the only thing. And definitely for everyone, it's like love your job, what you are doing, and have fun also with the work.
Wonderful, wonderful. Thank you so much, Mr. Batra. I will not take more of your time, but I would love for you to come and visit the campus and, maybe take a
Sure,
lecture or, speak to the students, especially
sure.
the speed, especially about logistics, because a lot of students are asking for a lot of advice, but then I think very few professionals, not that many as, in marketing or finance are there in it. Right.
Sure,
Thank you so
sure.
much.